By addressing these 5 medical reasons, you can tame the sugar habit that you might have and effectively detox from sugar. These are powerful resources, and if you stay to the very end, I'm going to share with you a free resource with more information to help you kick your sugar habit. Hi, my name is Melissa, and I am a reformed sugar addict. Today I'm going to share with you how I kicked my sugar habit and tamed my sugar cravings. I use my naturopathic expertise as well as clinical research to fine-tune the best and most impactful ways to not only curb my sugar cravings, but also help thousands of patients like yourself. So these tools are very powerful, and I'm so excited to share them with you. The number one reason why we crave sugar is because of low serotonin levels. Sugar is a symptom of serotonin deficiency. When we reach for sugar and consume it and digest it, we actually get a dopamine hit. It's a feel-good hit that is a counterbalance to these low serotonin levels. And interestingly enough, research shows that sugar addiction is actually as powerful, if not more powerful, than a heroin addiction. Sugar is highly addictive. So you're not alone if you're craving sugar. Number 2, a huge deficiency that 99% of us deal with is magnesium deficiency. If you have magnesium deficiency, you are going to have sugar cravings. And a lot of times when I have patients who say, I'm craving sugar, and they put that in their intake form, and we go over that in my telemedicine appointments, one of the things that I'm zeroing in on is how much sugar are they consuming every day? And just by nature of sugar consumption, that actually depletes magnesium levels. So if you're craving sugar, eating sugar, you are going to also be decreasing your magnesium levels, which are already in a deficient state. Now, magnesium is a critical, essential mineral. Magnesium influences your serotonin level. Magnesium regulates not just your glucose levels, but it also regulates your dopamine levels. Did you know that you can actually test your magnesium levels? If you're not sure, I'm going to post a link down below where you can order a test kit. It's a little blood spot test, and it will measure not just magnesium levels, but also other essential minerals. Your next question might be, okay, Dr. Melissa, what form or type of magnesium should I consume to help balance out my deficiency? And in the case of intense sugar cravings and broad-based magnesium deficiencies, I recommend a complex of magnesium. We have multiple forms of magnesium, and I recommend Organics Mag 7. They have a potent blend of 7 critical magnesium forms that can help balance out your magnesium deficiency. The third source are microbiome imbalances. Now, you might hear a lot of people, especially online and in blogs and shorts, talk about candida. This is a very broad, honestly overused term. Your microbiome, particularly your gut microbiome, consists of an abundant amount of bacteria types. And candida is just one of many different bacteria imbalances that we can see that can be a source for sugar cravings. But overall, your gut microbiome imbalances. Maybe you're dealing with gas and bloating, GERD, maybe IBS, constipation. Those are all indicators of an imbalanced microbiome. And research shows that there are 2 probiotic strains that can help you curb your sugar cravings. They are lactobacillus strains and bifidobacterium strains of probiotics. So try adding those in, and they will greatly help curb your sugar cravings. Number 4 is to increase your protein intake as well as your protein digestive enzymes. If you're over the age of 30, your pancreas output of digestive enzymes begins to decrease. So it becomes important that we add a protease, a very protein specific digestive enzyme into your daily regimen before you consume a food. So when it comes to the type of protein to help you kick your sugar craving, research shows plant-based, fiber-dense foods like lentils, black beans, chickpeas, legumes, peas, and even tofu can be extremely powerful at managing your sugar cravings by regulating and balancing your blood sugar levels. And the enhanced fiber supports the microbiome. Plus, lentils are often going to be dense in magnesium. Fifth, and one often overlooked deficiency by a lot of medical providers, is an underlying iron deficiency. Iron and abundant optimal iron levels is all about increased cellular energy. If you have suboptimal or low levels of iron, you're not going to be getting enough energy to your cells, and that often can dictate and create a sugar craving. Iron also has a very important role in balancing your blood sugar levels. If you have low or deficient iron levels, that actually increases the amount of blood sugar that your cells are trying to manage. More iron equals better blood sugar balancing. And this also explains why a lot of ladies during the latter luteal phase, the time before your period begins, why you often have PMS sugar cravings. It's often because your body is utilizing iron to support and build up your uterine lining. And that's a good reason to test your iron levels, as well as add in a natural plant-based iron supplement. If you'd like more tips and tricks to beat your sugar cravings, I'm going to share with you this free download that I've created. It is a step-by-step guide with a checklist that will help you make sure you're covering all the different angles and potential deficiencies and medical causes behind your sugar cravings. It's not just in your head, and it's not something you can just will yourself to manage. There are biochemical reasons for your sugar cravings. So I'm so excited to share this download. There'll be a link in the description box below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit that share button. Let's spread the love here in supporting our heart health initiatives in the month of February. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on our next video next Friday.